Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a flight on TigerAir. Follow these detailed steps to cancel your flight using the TigerAir web app. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official TigerAir homepage. Log into your account by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner. Enter your account credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage. From this homepage, hover over the Ready to Go tab on the top navigation menu, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu including special offers, destinations, fees, special requests, and manage booking. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Booking, and that's going to walk you right into the Manage Booking window. Here, enter your booking reference number, otherwise known as a PNR, given name, surname, and click Search. And that's going to take you into the booking details page. Once your booking details are displayed, find the flight you want to cancel under the Future Flight section. Click on the Cancel Flight or Modify Booking option next to the specific flight. Then a pop-up or new window will display TigerAir's cancellation policy, including refund eligibility, if applicable, and any cancellation fees. Carefully read the policy, then click Proceed or Agree to continue. The next step is to confirm the cancellation. Verify the flight details and ensure you are canceling the correct flight. If prompted, provide a reason for the cancellation from the drop-down list or text field. Then, click Confirm Cancellation button to finalize your request. After successfully canceling the flight, you'll receive a confirmation screen displaying the cancellation reference number and details about any applicable refunds or credits. A confirmation email will also be sent to your registered email address. Now, if eligible for a refund or credits, check the refund policy for the estimated processing time. Monitor your email, of course, or bank account for updates on the refunds. By following the steps, you have successfully canceled your TigerAir flight. Keep the cancellation reference number for future inquiries. Now you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.